If you use OBS Studio to record tutorial, gameplay, or even do live stream, then this video will make your OBS Studio even better. Because today I want to share with you guys one new plugin that I have found just recently that lets you zoom into the source live while you're recording or live streaming. Isn't that cool? This is something that I have been doing with the third-party apps, external sources like the Windows magnifying glass and other softwares. But now I can do this within the OBS Studio thanks to the plugin called Zoominator. This plugin is free and open source. You can get it from the official GitHub page. And for some reason, I don't know why, this is not that popular. It has only 9 stars. I think it was launched back in January, even though I just found out about this. This plugin is just amazing. Okay, just look at this. I'm zooming into the screen live while I'm recording this tutorial. Okay, so there was another plugin, really popular plugin called OBS Zoom to Mouse, which was actually a script for OBS, which requires you to have a Python and all that. This plugin is very popular. It has quite a lot of stars, 1.1k stars, but it doesn't work anymore on newer versions of OBS Studio. It was last updated back in 2023. So someone made this plugin that is not popular somehow, but should be popular in my opinion, because this is an amazing plugin. So you should go and check out this plugin if you use the OBS Studio. So let me show you guys how to install this. You can go to releases and then you can get the latest version. It was updated last week, so it's still in active development. So you can go here and download this for macOS, Linux and Windows. In Windows, you just download the zip file. It's a very small file, only 936 kilobyte. You just right click and extract it first, and then go to extracted folder, and then open the Zoominator folder, and then copy this bin and data folder. And now you have to go to the installed location of OBS Studio. I actually use multiple OBS Studios, so don't get confused with the OBS Studios that you see. Go to the installed location and then go to OBS Studio folder. And here you just need to paste those folders that we copied. Make sure it's the OBS Studio installed location. Okay, you just paste that in here, hit continue, and just like that, the plugin is now installed. Now just launch the OBS Studio. Now you have to go to the tools, and here you should see a Zoominator option. But if you don't see the Zoominator option in OBS Studio, then you have to go back to the installed location of the OBS Studio and then go to bin 64-bit, and here copy these two files, zoominator.dll and zoominator pdb file. Okay, or cut these files, or basically move these files. Go back to the OBS Studio folder and then go to OBS plugins and 64-bit, and then paste those zoominator.dll and other file in here. Now go to tools, and here you'll see Zoominator. Okay, select that option, and then here at the top in the Zoominator option, select source. Select the source that you want to zoom into, your display, game capture device, or gameplay device, anything. You can select any source in here. Okay, and then you can change the behavior. Hold the key to zoom in, and when you release, it will zoom out. Okay, or you can have toggle. You press the key once and then you can zoom in and out and all that. Okay, now you can set a keyboard shortcut in here or mouse button shortcut. Okay, so I actually use the mouse button shortcut for my main screen that you're seeing right now. Okay, so you can set keyboard shortcut. Let's say, for example, let's change this to control tilde key, and you can change the zoom factor. I like to use 1.75, and then animation speed and all that, I leave it to default. You can, tweak these by yourself. Okay, and after that, you just apply and make sure you remember the hotkey. Okay, and you just Close this. Now, if you press the Control and tilde key, that's what my keyboard shortcut is, it will zoom in to the source, okay? And it will also follow the mouse, just like this, okay? It's pretty simple and amazing tool, in my opinion, especially if you make tutorials, okay? And you need to zoom into the sources a lot. Or even if you're like streaming or something, you want to, show something clearly to the viewer, you can just zoom in live while you're streaming. And this one doesn't require Python or anything like that. So again, I just found out about this and I have been using this on my OBS Studio. This is much better than what I was using before. I don't know why this is not that popular yet. It should be more popular. It's really amazing. It's the successor of the script that we had before that doesn't work anymore. You should go and check out this plugin if you use OBS Studio. And it has many other features. There is even a OBS Studio forum post. If you go here, you can actually watch a video. They have made a tutorial, and it also supports the vertical video types, and it automatically follows the mouse and keeps the aspect ratio same and all that. This is just an amazing plugin that every OBS Studio user should use. Now I want to share with you all the plugins that I use on OBS Studio. If I go to Tools, Plugin Manager here, you can see these are all the tools that I use. Okay, 3D effect, gradient source, move, transition, source clone, OBS composite blur, OBS shader filter, OBS stroke, glow shadow, Zoominator. So currently these are the plugins that I actually use on my OBS Studio. I don't really make OBS Studio plugin videos. The new plugin Zoominator, I found out about this just recently, and I was like surprised to see how well this works, and it wasn't that popular. So I was like, I need to make a video about this. Maybe people will find it useful. So yeah, hope you guys like the plugin, like the video, hopefully. And yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.